If you want to take live motion photos on Google Pixel 10, then first of all, we need to open the camera. Now over here in camera, while being in the photo mode, you should be able to tap on this setting icon in the bottom left corner. Over here in this menu, you should be able to find motion photo, which can be disabled, set to automatic, and also just enabled. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna set it fully on, and make sure that the more light option is not set to flash. With flash, unfortunately, we cannot use motion photo. So once we have the motion photo enabled, we can simply take our photo. So if there is any movement before the photo is taken, then of course it should be registered. So there we go. Now let's open our photo. And here above the photo over here, as you can see, we have motion. So we can tap on this button in order to play the motion, as you can see over here. Of course, we can pause the motion as well if you want to. We can tap here in order to just jump to the gallery in case you need to. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.